everyone, and welcome to the day 3 of our brain detox journey. Today is a gentle day, a day of emotional care. As mentioned in your guide, today's practice is about acknowledging, honoring, and releasing emotions that may have been held within without force or judgment. Before we begin, a gentle reminder: you are always in control. If at any point something feels overwhelming, you can open your eyes, pause, or simply breathe. Let's begin by settling in. So, emotional release is a natural process, not something we create, but something we allow. As your workbook explains, when emotions are not acknowledged or expressed, they don't disappear. They get stored in the body as tension, anxiety, heaviness, or physical discomfort. This practice helps us relate to emotions differently, not as problems to fix, but as temporary visitors carrying information. Now let's gently check in. Close your eyes if comfortable. Bring awareness to your body. And ask yourself silently, what sensations are present right now? What sensations am I feeling in my body? In which part? And what are the thoughts circulating in my mind? And which emotion need my attention today? There is no need to analyze anything. As suggested in the guide, name that emotion. Whether it's sadness, frustration, fear, joy, heaviness, or restlessness. Simply name the emotion. And now notice, where do you feel this emotion in your body? It's in your chest area, your throat, stomach, shoulders, lower back. Just notice with kindness. And now we will move to 3-step emotional release process. Step number 1, acknowledge. Silently say, I am noticing, I am feeling, and name the emotion. No judgment, just honesty. Step number 2, accept. Allowing the feeling to exist. You don't need to change it or push it away. Breathe into the area where you feel it. Create a space for it to be present. Step number 3 is release. With each exhale, visualize the emotion as energy gently flowing out. Like mist dissolving, like waves crashing the shore. Let the breath do the work. Nothing to force, nothing to fix. We will now support the release using breath. Let's try ocean breath. Inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold for 2. 1, 2. Now exhale for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you feel comfortable, take one audible releasing sigh, like a deep inhale, and let sound carry emotion outward. Slowly allow your breathing to return to normal and notice, how does your body feel now? maybe lighter, maybe calmer, maybe simply more present. As mentioned in the guide, some people will feel immediate relief, others feel subtle shifts. All experiences are valid. Emotional release is not about forcing feelings away. It's about creating space for transformation. And a gentle reminder, be patient with yourself. Emotional release is a practice, not perfection. All feelings are welcome. You can return to this ritual anytime you need emotional care. And I also would like that after this session, you do journal today. Journal few lines about what you noticed. Take a gentle walk or stretch and express creativity if that feels right. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. And with this, I would like to hand over to Shubham for our next part of the session, which is Tratak Kriya. Over to you, Shubham.
Okay, everyone. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Let's start a soothing kriya that is called Tratak. This kriya soothes your eyes tensions, increase your eyesight, and relax your body. So, let's begin. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, in Padmasana, or if you are sitting on a chair, then be specific that your spine should be straight. Your neck and your spine should be straight. Keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. Place your hands on your knees. Or simply rest them comfortably. There should not be any mudra. If you want to make any hasta mudra, you can make that, or simply you can put on your knees. Before anything, lit your candle in front of you. If it is possible, keep a distance around 2 to 3 meters away to you. Keep the thing reminded that the flame of the candle should in front of your eyesight. So adjust that in a way. Dim your lights or turn off lights if it is possible, because it is really necessary to make darkness around you. Flame should be in front of your eye. Very good. You just need to listen me and follow the instructions. Gently close your eyes and don't open your eyes until or unless instructions is going to be given. Gently close your eyes now. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath become natural and effortless. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Whatever comes in your mind, just let it go. Do not focus, do not hold anything in your mind. Keep your eyes gently open. Fix your gaze at the tip of the flame. Start gazing the tip of the flame. Do not blink unless it is really necessary for you. If your eyes start blinking naturally, that is okay, but do not blink unnecessarily. Keep your face relaxed, no strain, no stress. Allow the flame to become clearer and steadier. Keep gazing on the flame. If thoughts arises, do not fight them. Gently bring your attention back to the flame. If something comes into your mind, just let it go. Come back and focus on the flame. Let the eyes remain still. Let the mind become focused and calm. If tears come, allow them to flow naturally. This is the part of cleansing. Continue gazing calmly, steadily. There should not be any stress on your face. Be calm, be composed, just focus on the flame. Now, gently close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. Observe the after image of the flame behind your closed eyelids. See that flame by your closed eyes. Try to see the flame clearly between your eyebrows. If the image fades or moves, calmly bring it back. You just need to hold the image of that flame. Stay relaxed. Keep breathing normally. Have focused on the flame between your eyebrows. Keep your mind calm, composed. If anything comes, just let it go. Do not hold anything. Just bring your focus back to the flame. Allow your mind to become deeply still and centered. Feel the soothing darkness and inner silence. Be with this inner awareness. Be with this inner silence. Become aware of your breath once again. Just focus on your breathing. See how breaths come and go. Feel the calmness in your eyes. Feel the quietness in your mind. Just notice the sense of clarity and relaxation spreading through your body. Be like this. Stay in this state of awareness. Focus on your breathing. Make Namaskar Mudra. Join your both hands. Rub your palms together. Touch your eyes, face. Feel the warmth. Rub your palms again. Feel this energy throughout your body. Do you have any stress, any strain, any pain in your body? Try to reach to that. And if you are ready now, just open your eyes. Sit quietly for a few moments and observe yourself, how you feel calm, how you feel composed, focused, and refreshed. Here we go. Tratak Kriya is complete now. Namaskar. Over to you, Ruchika.